We are one of the world's leading providers of sustainable people transport solutions. What we do affects millions of people around the world. Passengers, drivers, customers, in fact, entire cities and countries. People traveling together is at the heart of our business, and with that comes major responsibility and great opportunities. Volvo Buses is our global brand, present in more than 85 countries, offering premium buses, coaches, chassis, connected services, and aftermarket support to customers, operators, and partners around the world. On the North American market, we also have the Prevost brand, offering industry-leading premium passenger coaches and conversion coaches. Passionate people and a culture of innovation form a solid foundation for our close collaboration with suppliers and partners, and our leading position in the areas of safety, sustainability, and reliability. We are part of the Volvo Group, which ensures access to the financial strength and development capabilities of one of the world's leading suppliers of commercial transport solutions. Together, we shape the world we want to live in.